students, I am Mrs. Seena Satyan, your science teacher, and today we will discuss about respiratory system. Before going to the respiratory system, we should know what you mean by breathing. So already in your previous lesson, we have studied breathing is one of the most important character of all living beings. All human beings, all animals, plants, insects, all are breathing. So what is going on in the process of breathing? We are taking air rich in oxygen from the atmosphere, clear, and we are giving out carbon dioxide. So that is the major process which is taking place during breathing. And you know, atmosphere is a mixture of gas and there will be lots of mixture of gas in the atmosphere. But our body needs only oxygen. So we are taking air rich in oxygen through our nose. Clear? And from the nose through the windpipe. Okay? This oxygen will go into the lungs. Okay? So that is the major basic process which we are doing during breathing. Okay? That is, we are taking air rich in oxygen from the atmosphere through the nose. And through the windpipe it will go into the lungs. So these are the three main important organs of respiratory system. That is the nose, lungs and windpipe. So one by one we will see. So already I told about nose. That is, with the help of nose we are taking air rich in oxygen. And through the windpipe, this air rich in oxygen will enter into the lungs. So lungs are the most important organ of respiratory system. And there are two lungs in our body. Clear? And lungs look like a balloon. Here you can compare it with the balloon. So when you fill air inside the balloon, what is happening to the balloon? The size will increase. Same way, when the air rich in oxygen is getting filled inside the lungs, the size of the lungs will increase. Clear? And there are blood vessels in the lining of the lungs. Okay? And this blood vessels carry blood. So this blood will carry the air rich in oxygen to each and every body parts, because each and every body parts need oxygen for performing different function. So this is carried to each and every body parts through the blood. Clear? And from the body parts, the waste gas, that is the carbon dioxide. Clear? So that carbon dioxide our body does not need. So that has to be removed. Clear? So this carbon dioxide will be again carried back from the body parts through the blood to the lungs, and from lungs it will be expelled out of our body through windpipe and through nose. So this is the process of breathing. Clear? So just see the picture. So this is the basic structure of our respiratory system, and you can see the nose. Clear? And already I told, with the help of nose we are taking air rich in oxygen. Okay, and this is the windpipe. Okay, and through the windpipe it is entering to the lungs. How many lungs are there? There are two lungs. Clear? So through the windpipe the oxygen, that is air rich in oxygen, will enter into the lungs. And when the lungs is getting filled with the oxygen, the size of the lungs increases. Clear? And from the lungs, the oxygen is carried to each and every body parts through the blood. Clear? And from the body parts, the carbon dioxide is taken back to the lungs, and from lungs through the windpipe it is given out of the atmosphere through our nose. So this is the process of respiration. Clear? So I think it is clear for you, and thank you.